ladies, it's your girl Pastor Monet back again. Welcome to my channel. For the people that are new, y'all know how it is. When I'm bored, I get to doing nails. So on my previous videos, I've done press-on nails and the spring bling nails video. I'll link that in the cards if I remember, or put it in the description. I've also did the St. Patrick's Day nails where I used the dual forms and the poly gel. But today I just want to use some nail tips. Now these are so old, I got these years ago, but I'll try to link it in the description. I got it from Shop Miss A. I'm going to see if they still have it. If they do, I'll put it in the description. But I'm going to take them out so you all can see. These are the tips. I'm going to just show you the length. So I'm going to use these and I'm going to custom color some poly gel. I want to do these cute colors that I have. I want to do some blue nails. This is the medium blue and this one is light blue. So I kind of want to do some like ocean theme type nails, but we'll see how everything goes. So what I did was I just sanded the shine off of the nail tips as well as my natural nails. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my Model 1's Nail Prep Dehydrator and just put it on my nails, let it dehydrate. Now I'm going to go in with the Model 1's Nail Primer and just apply it to the natural nail. Ladies, I'm going to go in with the Burano base coat and I'm going to apply it to the nails and then cure it for 2 minutes. I'm just going to show you how I'm going to custom color my poly gel. So first I'm going to go in with some soft pink Burano poly gel. This dries kind of clear. Sorry for the background noise. This dries kind of clear, so I'm going to use quite a few. Quite a bit of that. Okay, so that was the soft pink out of the Burano kit. Now I'm gonna do the medium blue. It's not focusing. My little tool here. And don't want to add too much. I just want to tint it just a little. And this is so pretty. Has a little bit of metallic going on in there. Okay, so I'm just mixing it up. Make sure all the poly gel is mixed with the pigment. Okay, and it comes out to this pretty color. Very beautiful. Okay, so we're gonna set this to the side and do the other color. Okay, ladies, now for this light blue color, as you can see, I'm going to go in with the white poly gel just so it can stand out more because the blue is so light. The white out just so it could be more vibrant. Too much. If I need to go back in and add some more pigment, I will, but I want to go a little at a time. Okay, so now we have this pretty blue color, light blue, and this color. As you can see the difference. Try to get it as smooth as possible. Here it is, very pretty. You see the little sparkles. Okay, so now I'm just gonna cure it for 60 seconds, probably a minute and 30 seconds. So with my index finger, I'm gonna do it a little different. I'm gonna alternate with the colors, and I'm gonna just put them in random spaces, but it'll come out cute. So let's get started. this is what we're working with so far. I'm just gonna go in and add my Verano top coat, and then we're gonna add some bling. I'm back. I just added bling to all the other nails, and this one was kind of plain, so I added glitter. Now I'm just kind of dusting the excess off.